I'm going to make one of these crestings for a grandfather clock. They're on clocks from sort of end of the 18th century. Big mahogany clocks with painted glass. Usually had carved roses, finial on the top. So I'm going to produce that moulding, which is a bit tricky to do. Mitre it, fret it out, and then glue it to a block. I've drawn out the shape of the moulding that I've got to cut on the end of the wood. So first thing I'll do is I'll cut that rebate down that edge, and then I'll do that curve there. I'll turn it over and hollow that out, which is quite a deep cut, so I'll do that in several cuts. Then I'll cut it off, and this will actually round off by hand. I've just realised when I turn it over, that edge isn't deep enough now for my fence, so it's dropping in behind. So I'll put a bit of double-sided tape on. I'll just stick a bit of pine on there up to the base of the router, so that it slides along there. this now needs fretting out. Because it's not flat, I can't do it on a normal table like this. So I turned a piece of pine so I can sit that on there, and I can rotate it and keep the blade square to the face as I work my way around. It's a little bit awkward, but it's the only way you can do it really. Before I fret out these two end pieces, I'm going to glue the front bit onto the block, and then I can check that the miters are correct, because if they need tweaking a little bit, I'd sooner do it before it's fretted out, or I'll end up those end bits just breaking off. Now that rebate there, that step, is just over 1/16 of an inch, and I've actually got it just over 1/8, so I need to take about 1/16 off there, so I'll just deepen that curve a little bit.